Hey everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video tutorial today. Before we get started, I want to remind you that my 12 weeks of Christmas special is going on just for my email subscribers. So if you would like to see my 12 weeks of projects, then make sure to click the link below and sign up for my email list. And please click subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I would really appreciate it. And then we have a starter kit special happening this month. If you would like to join my team, we have a lot of fun. We have team meetings every month. Everything is optional. None of it is mandatory. But our normal starter kit's $99. You can choose two ways. You can do 35% more free stuff, or you can do 35% less on the cost of the starter kit. You get $125 worth of product either way, but you can choose more product or less money. So, really great deal. Okay, so this week I'm focusing on little Christmas 3D items. So today I want to show you how to make this cute little lip balm holder. So easy and quick to do. I am using the Countryside Corner dies. Yep, that's what they're called. I'm using the next to largest die. These are so great. They make great tags, great labels, great 3D treat holders. So versatile. And then I need a little snowflake. So I'm using the Chic dies because it has this great little small snowflake right here. And then I'm using for my stamp set Ringed with Nature. I'm just using the Just For You, so you could use any stamps. All right, the paper I'm using, let me show you this paper first. Page 36, I'm not prepared here. I am using the Snowflake Magic Specialty paper. It says it's Lost Lagoon and silver, but this middle paper right here is real close to Coastal Cabana, so that's what color ink I'm going to use. All right, so super easy. I use the Lost Lagoon on this one, but today we are going to use this pretty shiny one. Look how shiny that is. I've already die cut it, but what we're going to do next is score. I love my scoring tool. This is what I use most of the time. So we're going to score this at, let's get these out of the way, 1 7/8, and then 2 5/8. I don't want to tear my paper, so I'm not pushing too hard. But you can see right there, there's 2 score lines, and that is just the right size for our lip balm. Okay, that's all the scoring we need to do. Set that aside. Okay, we're just going to fold that up gently and give it a crease. Oh, looking for my bone folder. Here we go. Just a very gentle crease, because we don't want to tear that pretty foil paper. I need a hole, so I am just going to line up my top and hold that together and just use a little hole punch. You can use whatever you have. Let's see, I don't want it too far down. Right about there, perfect. Okay, now I've got these are little blank kind of do-it-yourself lip balms. They come in several different flavors, but you can order these on Amazon. And then I have cut a piece of the coordinating paper. This is also in the pack, and this is what is this? This is 2.5 by 1 7/8. So 1 7/8, and this will fit between the little turning part and the cap, and then 2.5 inches to go around the tube. So what I'm going to do first is kind of curve this so that it's already wanting to curve around our tube. And what this does is lessen the pressure on the paper when we adhere it down. So I'm going to grab some tear and tape I put this on both ends. All right, we're going to peel this off. And we're going to wrap this around. Okay, just making sure I'm not covering my cap. Give it a good press on there. Wrap this around and then give it a good press on itself. Okay, now we can take our cap off and we can twist it. Okay, before we put that in, we're going to do our decorating on the front. So I have a piece of basic white. This is 7/8 inch by 2 7/8, which is the width of our little holder. And I'm going to take Coastal Cabana and this For You stamp. And it says just for you. I'm going to stamp it over on the left. So I have some room to put my snowflake. Look how nice that color matches. Love that. All right, and we are going to adhere this down. I'm just looking for my adhesive. Here it is. Out. Okay. So I'm going to put this right in the corner. Right there on either side. All right. Then we have our little snowflake, and I'm going to pop up my snowflake and grab a mini dimensional right in the middle. Cute. And then I'm going to grab these. These are the Adhesive Back Glitter Sequins. Look how sparkly they are. I have not gotten into these. I've been waiting because every time I look in my drawer of embellishments, I see these and I think I love these. Okay. Pick tool. I'm going to grab a larger one. And this color looks perfect. I'm going to put that right in the middle of our snowflake. Isn't that sweet? So cute. Okay. Now, I want to put this in, but I don't want my paper torn. So the trick is to put a little piece over at this end so that my cap sticks to it. And then I just want a little piece at this end so that my rim sticks to it. I don't want my paper to stick to this. All right, we'll peel that off. I'm gonna make sure my paper is only sticking. I'm gonna put that one down first. It's only sticking there. You could also put a couple glue dots to hold it in. Either way, that's gonna hold it in and not come out. Okay, now you can use whatever ribbon you have. I have some of this super pretty iridescent white ribbon, so I'm going to use this and just tie a fun little bow right here in the front. If you were making 100 of these, just tie it in a knot. Don't worry about the bow. I make little lip balm holders for the craft show that I am doing next month. And I've used a different die in the past, but from here on out, I'm going to be using this one. I need a little more ribbon to come through. This ribbon's a little bit thicker, but I didn't pull out enough. Let's see if I can get this open back up and pull out a little bit more. Okay, here we go. Give myself another inch and a half. All right, I think we got it now. You know what? Let's do that back. I think this is cute enough that I don't want to take away and put a big old bow on there. Let's take this back. No, we're going to do this. I don't want to mess with it. So we're just going to trim this off like this. Cute. Cute. And now I have an extra piece that goes in my scrap box. Okay, that's it. We're not going to put a bow. I think this ribbon might be a little bit thick for this small project. So a cute little knot with some tails is all you need. Make sure they're even. You cut off a little 1/8 of an inch there. Isn't that sweet? Here's the other one. This is one I did in Lost Lagoon. So I did the faceted gems in the middle of that one because it was a little more in tone with the paper. And then I did the little silver ribbon, which is a little thinner, so you can see how sheer. Isn't that pretty with that silver edging? Love that. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. Make sure to check back Monday. I have a cute little stocking stuffer treat holder. And I think that's it. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you back here on Monday. Bye-bye.